What's up, guys? Today, I'm at Concrete City in Nanticoke, Pennsylvania. Yo! What's up, guys? Today, I'm at Concrete City in Nanticoke, Pennsylvania with special guest Karami. Say hi.
Hello.
So Karami, tell me about this place.
No.
Oh, come on, don't be so
You
shy.
didn't say I had to talk.
So the story behind this place goes that in 1911, the bugs are horrible. In 1911 was built as a housing company for select individuals. I think there's about 15 or 16 houses that are made of concrete, and well, of course now they're all abandoned and everything like that, but they're supposed to be really cool. They're all graffitied up, and I'm on the way to check it out. All right, so I've dealt with bugs before, but this is to the extreme. Like, I can't take it. I'm ready to peel my skin off. It's that bad. Oh my gosh. So after walking down this long path, finally got there to Concrete City. Yeah, the place is pretty much rotten. Won't be surprised if some of it fell down. What do you think of this place so far, Karami?
Please don't make me talk on the video.
So at some point in this place, I guess there used to probably be an upstairs that you can get to. Oh, there we go. As you can see, here's the stairs, and where do they go? They go nowhere. I don't know what happened. Big hole down there. All right, so you're never gonna believe it, but I just found some people. Here we go. Yo, wait up! Hey, where are you guys from?
Delaware.
Hi, well, nice to meet you. I'm Dominic, and you are?
Kayla.
Victoria.
My name is James. I'm from Bear, Delaware also.
Oh man, you guys are far away from home. So what do you think of it so far?
It's cool. It's very dirty.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, what happened to you?
I was trying to climb up the stairway and I was hanging onto the wall.
Oh, and what do you think of the area?
Great?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Are you getting eaten alive by the bugs?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know they're pretty bad.
It's interesting how these structures are still here after so many years. But it's nice. I mean, most of the structures we went through, and I had heard a lot of them, they're collapsing. But the ones that I saw, they're fine. I mean,
there's some really scary stuff. There's places in there that if you were to poke them like this, the whole ceiling would probably collapse.
yeah, there's a few holes.
Dangerous.
Also.
Hey, it was nice meeting you guys. Take care.
You
too.
too.
Thank
Have a
you. I
safe trip
appreciate it.
back.
You
Yep,
too. Thank
see
you.
ya.
Yeah.
All right, I'm back on the trail. You get eaten alive here. Oh, we got gunshots going off now. All right, let's go in and check out this. I hear some people in here. Hey, guys. Hi. Hello. Hey, what's up there?
What's up?
I hope you don't. Pretty good. I hope you don't collapse on me.
Not either. I hope this rebar still holds.
It's looking pretty shoddy, that's for sure. How you guys doing up there?
Good.
All right. Yeah. What do you think of the area?
It's pretty cool so far.
Yeah. So how did you find out about this place?
Actually I think it was like 2 years ago, me and my boyfriend there, his mom is a photographer, so she comes in does photography around this area.
Okay.
So it's pretty cool.
All right, see you later, guys. Thanks. Bye. See ya. Oh, now this is pretty cool. Check this out. Part of the roof fell down. As you can see, wow. Very bad shape. This is not the right way. Is this the right way? We got the basement going on. There's where the parties be happening, right down here. A little bit of meth on the side there. A little bit of coke. It's official, we are lost. And I'm lost again. Which way? That way. You sure? You definitely just pointed. You have no idea. You definitely just pointed. That is not the way. All right, so the biggest tip if you're gonna come to here is number one, don't come in the summer. Terrible idea. If you do come in the summer, make sure you wear lots of clothes and protect yourself. You don't know how bad I'm wishing I had gloves on right now because my hands are getting eaten alive. Number two, you know there's an app that's called Where's My Car? Yes, download it. Make sure you get it, because you need it. Oh man, where to go? So if you've never been to Pennsylvania before, a tip to know is that it's infested with poison ivy. And if you don't know what poison ivy is, it's the 3 leaves that come from hell, because they'll destroy your life. This right here, the 3 leaves from hell, it will cause you pain and suffering that you have never felt before. All right, I'm a big baby about poison ivy, what can I say? I hate it. I can't take it! There's bugs! They're terrible, guys! If you go out into the woods, protect yourself with bug spray! It's driving me crazy!